Welcome back today with Chef Ricardo cooking program. Today we're going to make you some vanilla pancake. Well, this vanilla pancake, what we're going to do, I have some homemade raw berries drum. So we're going to put that on top of it, and we're going to use a little bit of sugar on top of it also. In my bowl right here, I got some flour, I got some milk, I got some vanilla, and I got some cinnamon right here, and I got some yellow food coloring, I got some sugar, and I got 3 eggs. In my bowl right here, I got a cups and a half of flour right in my bowl, and we're gonna make some vanilla pancake today. This one is very easy and simple, a quick recipe today from Chef Ricardo Cooking. Subscribe my channel and link my Facebook page, and a lot more recipe gonna come out. Guys, you're gonna love this one. Look how we're gonna mix it and we're gonna make it now. First of all, we're gonna crack these 3 eggs. We're gonna take away the shell and we're gonna put it right in here, and we're gonna mix up everything into one, and you're gonna love it today from Chef Ricardo Cooking. So what we're going to do now, we're going to mix up the pancake mixture. So first of all, I already cracked the 3 eggs, I got them in my bowl. So we're going to put it right inside of it, just like that. And then what we're going to do now, I got some sugar right here in my bowl. Right here I got half cups of sugar, we're going to put it right inside of it, just like that. And then right here I got some cinnamon powder. I'm going to put half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder inside of it, just like this. That's a pinch of a cinnamon powder, not too much. And then right here we got the vanilla. We're going to put some vanilla inside of it. This vanilla is straight from Jamaica. Beautiful one. At least a spoon of vanilla inside of it, because it is vanilla pancake, remember guys. Then we're going to put a little bit of food coloring inside of it. Just a little pinch of food coloring. But you have to be careful because this one is so bright and yellow, so you have to be careful when you put in the food coloring. Then what we're gonna do now, if you got a whisk, you can use it and whisk it, or if you got a blender, you can also use a hand blender to blend it. But we're gonna use a whisk today to whisk it. Now what we're gonna do now, we're gonna take a little time and keep and pouring the milk inside of it, just like this. I got in my milk right here, I got a cups of milk. So we're gonna take a little time, just like this, and add it in right inside of it. You don't want it too thick, you need it to be runny. So let's add all of it inside of it. This is just gonna be beautiful and nice one today from Chef Ricardo. The flour which I'm using, it is self-rising flour, because you know you need that self-rising flour to give it a rise. So look at that, this is just beautiful and nice today. Beautiful one. You can see that's what you're looking for. So I didn't use the whole cups of milk inside of it. You can see I use a little bit left back in my bowl right here. This is just beautiful and nice. Look at that, runny and nice. So what we're gonna do now, you continue just whisking it just like that. Beautiful one today. This is the vanilla pancake. This is the way how you make the vanilla pancake. So what we're gonna do now, I'm gonna put on a frying pan on the stove, and we're gonna make some vanilla pancake in that frying pan. Beautiful one, look at that. This is just beautiful and nice, man. I can't wait to taste this one. Look at that. So that's what you're looking for, that beautiful running. So remember, milk, yellow food coloring, and the vanilla, 3 eggs and some sugar, and the self-rising flour, and that's it. And you can make a lovely vanilla pancake. So we're gonna make some pancake now, and you guys are gonna love this one, because this one is just easy, quick and simple. You can have this for breakfast, and you can have this in the day with your lunch. Really nice and beautiful one, especially if you go somewhere you want to have some vanilla pancake. Really nice and beautiful. So you can always taste it, but I'm not going to taste this one. But I'm telling you, this is just perfect and nice, because this is what you're looking for. Look at that. Really, really nice and perfect and beautiful one today from me. Lovely one. So right in my frying pan, I'm already put some butter. You're just going to use a little pinch of butter in your frying pan. I'm already put just a little pinch of butter inside of the frying pan, just like this. Use something and let's rub it inside of it. My frying pan already warm, as you can see. Guys, when you're making this pancake, you don't need to add any salt. You don't need any salt. Then, you know what you're going to do now? You're just going to take a little time, take up a little portion of it. Really simple and nice. Just use a little butter, rub inside of it, not too much. Have your flame on a low flame, not too high, and just take a little time and do it just like this. I'm just using a soup spoon just to use it to take up the pancake because it's more flexible and easy to angle. So you just leave it just like that, and then you're gonna take a little time on the other side. Look at this. This is just beautiful and nice, really nice pancake. And then you can just continue to do them just like this, and they can just come out perfect, really nice and beautiful. So this one is finished now. I'm gonna take out that one. Now what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna do another one just for you guys to see what I'm talking about. Just turn your flame a little bit low. You don't want your flame to too high. And I'm using an egg mixer. Guys, it's more easy to angle. And let's rub some butter inside. Be careful guys, because I don't want you to get any burn. And I'm gonna do the same thing again with it. Look at this. This is just beautiful and nice. So if it's runny, you want it to be runny just like this guy. When it run it like this, it's easy. You get a perfect fry. Another one which I'm talking about. Look at this. This is just beautiful and nice. Nice one. I'm gonna turn it over so you guys can see what I'm talking about. This is just beautiful. Look at that. Really nice and beautiful. But this is the other one I'm showing about. This the first one I did is already finished. I'm just gonna show you. Look at this one. This one is already finished. So I'm gonna show you how you can use some raspberry jam and some sugar. Already finished. Right here. So look what I'm gonna do now. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna just remember that, as I'm gonna say to you, I got a video on YouTube how you make the raspberry jam. So this is a homemade raspberry jam. I'm just gonna put a little bit on top of it, just like this. This is just beautiful and nice. Look at this. This is really nice. Then I'm gonna use my hand and just gonna sprinkle a little bit of sugar on top of it, just like this. This is just perfect, beautiful and nice. Guys, you're gonna love this recipe, as you can see. Look at this. This is just really nice and beautiful. And this is a homemade vanilla pancake and homemade raspberry drum. This is just really nice. Guys, I want you to just enjoy this recipe. Really nice recipe. And we have a lot more recipe. Come subscribe my channel, and you can like my Facebook page also. And we got, remember, Chef Ricardo website .co.uk or chefricardocooking.com. Guys, enjoy this recipe. Love the one. You can have it for lunch, breakfast, anything you want to have this vanilla pancake for. Really nice one today from Chef Ricardo. See you in my next video. Bye.